Pupunta mo na dyan, Shuttle Legazpi SM. Dito na raw mga ka-fab. Saan po yung bus terminal? Lakarin ko lang doon. Doon daw yung bus terminal mga ka-fab, papuntang Sorsogon. Diyan ka talaga ibababa sa may SM City. As instructed, you just have to walk straight there for the bus terminal going to Sorsogon. Siya yung Legazpi Grand Terminal. Pasok po tayo dito. Ayan, so check. May biyahe na Sorsogon. Ayan. Ilan pa masahe?
Wala. Naga po ako.
Naga.
Naga.
Sorsogon?
Ayos na po. Ito ka tara.
Ilan pa masahe?
120.
120. Ayan. Pasok doon. Pasok na lang siya. Pasok tayo. Ando.
Ako magbita. Sa kaniyang day trip.
Tricycle, mga ka-fab, tricycle na daw tayo. Hindi daw. Ayan siguro yung titira natin. Ate G! Ate G! Room 2 po ako sa taas. Ayan. So dito tayo sa second floor. Hello mga ka-fab! Welcome back to my channel. You are Jolsonified, and this is going to be another exciting vlog episode wherein I bring you along with me from checking in to checking out in different places, hotels, and staycations, not just only here in the Philippines, but abroad as well. And this is going to be another exciting vlog episode, as what I've said, because we're here at Sorsogon. Sorsogon City in the province of Sorsogon, which belongs to the Bicol region. So it took me like from Manila to Albay, from Albay to bus terminal, and bus going here in Sorsogon, which took me a total of 3 hours travel. But nevertheless, it's all worth it because I'm staying here at M's Place. I booked this at Airbnb. So this is quite different because I'm not checked in a hotel or in a pension house or in a inn. This is really an Airbnb. It's the first time that I am vlogging this staycation at M's Place here at Sorsogon. So konting room tour lang. Like is here, the moment I check their internet, merong wifi and password at medyo mabilis naman. Okay naman siya. Of course, there's aircon. Yeah. And meron na siyang 4 na drinks. I think that's good for my stay here, total 4 days. And may alcohol, my little spoon and fork and plates in case I'll use them. Meron parang sink dito that you can use, and there are area where you can hang your clothes, and there's already a towel that you can use. And I love the bathroom, which is small and cozy. Merong heater and may bidet. I love it. Ang ganda ng tiles, very clean. And of course, yan yung bed area. It's a queen size, I guess. And there's pillows. It's good for two. And of course, ayan, my lamp. Very nice. I don't feel that it's so small. Just enough. You feel that it's a little bit spacious. And ito, meron pang folding sleep convertible. Parang pwede mo siya i-convert maging another bedding. Yeah, ayan. Ayan. Tapos dyan maiwan yung sapatos natin. Lagay natin dito para orderly tayo. Let's put this in here. Ayan. And, of course, my electric fan. And when you open this is your view. Ayan. Okay. We're in the middle of nowhere, literally. But my first impression, I'm beginning to love the people. They're so kind, they're so nice. Mga tricycle driver. Yan. Alright, so later, if we have time, we'll explore it a bit. The nearby places. Ito yung landmark lang talaga. Oh. Kasi nasa harap tayo ng parang, ano yan, Agape Formation. It's parang Christian church. Yan. So dito tayo sa second floor. Doon tayo pumasok kanina and we'll tour more of that later. So for now, pasok po tayo. There it is. Hello mga ka-fab. It's past 4 p.m. already. Medyo hindi na siya mainit. So it's time na explore na natin yung mga restaurants, interesting places around this Airbnb which I'm staying here right now here in Sorsogon City. Kaya tara. Sa second floor kasi tayo. Ayan yung room natin. And let's go down. It's a cutesy neighborhood in the middle of Sorsogon. Malapit lang daw kasi ito sa city. Pwede ko, let's try kung kaya siya if it's walkable. Papuntang SM nila and sa city center nila. Ayun yata yung, what do you call this? Yung landmark. Yung 5th District Bar and Grill. Yan. So makita mo na yan. Pasok ka na lang doon. There. Para mag-turn left tayo. Hanapin tayo yung coffee shop na yan. And so merong parang elementary school dito, the Sorsogon East Central School. And nearest coffee shops or restaurants kasi hindi pa tayo nakakapag actually lunch or a decent breakfast. Okay lang kasi medyo diet naman tayo ngayon. So mga ka-fab, I'm using as always Google Maps. Ang ganda ng mountain na yan. Oh. Dito, ang ganda. Mga ka-fab, so sa kakalakad natin, ayan na 1.2 kilometers ahead, which is the SM City Sorsogon. And what I noticed mga ka-fab, tignan mo yung asfalto ang ganda ng roads nila dito. This is what they say, this is where your taxes go. So mas na-improve yung roads, yung transportation, the city would prosper definitely. Meron tayong nakitang church, parish shrine of Our Lady of Fatima. Ano to? Sorsogon Provincial High School. Ganda. Ayun na nga, nakita na natin. Sorsogon State University. Wala kasi may event kami dyan in 2 days time. At least alam ko na, pwede siya pala lakarin from my place. So, hanap na tayo ng coffee shop or makakainan guys. There's something unique in this place. Ang ganda guys. Nakukuha ko tong shot na to kasi nasa overpass tayo overpass bridge. So nilakad natin yan guys mga ka-fab, don't you worry kasi may nakita ko mga kainan, chicken, merong parisan, may bakery. So hindi kayo makugutom, don't you worry mga ka-fab. Ang ganda. This town is so immaculate. I'm loving you already, Sorsogon. Sa kakalakad nga natin mga ka-fab, look at this. Oh my god. I think this is the Sorsogon Sports Complex. Ang ganda. Parang Coliseum siya. Oh my God, that's only in the Philippines. What a structure, what a building. So beautiful. Only here in Sorsogon City. Wow. Such a beauty. Beauty and sports do really mix well. And of course, may free na Royal True Orange. Pinamimigay lang. The best ka talaga, Sorsogon City. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. Bundok pa dun, no? Okay, of course, I'll drink this Royal True Orange. Baka naman, sponsor. More shots pa, guys. Na-amaze talaga ako sa structure na to, oh. Sorsogon Sports Complex. Ang ganda. Parang nasa abroad ka. And of course, along the road na siya. Nilakad lang po natin yan. Galing po tayo kanina sa Airbnb natin. Try nga natin to, guys, yung Rosarios na to. Ayan, kasi maganda yung view, oh. Naharap mo yung sports complex. Saan kaya to? Sana bukas? Nilakad natin ito ng malayo, eh. Sana bukas sila? Bukas kayo. Hi. Ang ganda ng view na ito. Dito na lang tayo, guys. Ayan. Dito muna tayo, guys, sa may aircon kasi medyo mainit sa labas. Maganda sana yung view pero maybe later transfer tayo dyan pag medyo madilim na. Baka may maganda yung lights dyan later. Kunan pa natin ng shot sa labas. Tapos na tayo mag quick merienda. At ito na nga itsura niya sa gabi. Lumidilim na, mga ka-fab. Ay, so may nagzuzumba doon. Are people dancing, rehearsing. It's a recreational space for the people who are living here in Sorsogon. Andun na rin may police station na ako nakikita. Oh. It's more of a barangay hall actually. Ang ganda ng mountain na yun. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niya. Leave your comment down below kung anong pangalan ng mountain na yan. Pero I'm really amazed by the structure of this sports complex. Lakas siya lakas maka Coliseum in Italy. Kita mo yung roads, jeepneys, tricycles, private cars. I love it here. At dumilim na nga, mga ka-fab. I want to capture the beauty of this Sorsogon Sports Complex by night. I'll never get tired looking at this structure and nakaka-amaze na meron pala dito sa Philippines na ganitong istruktura. Mga ka-fab, ang ganda ng sports complex ng Sorsogon. So now, next stop, kaya pa, todo na natin to. Let's go to the Sorsogon City Pier. Kaya naglalakad tayo the way there. I think mga 1.2 kilometers lang. Ang lapit lang. I'm used to walking and walking, to burn some fats. Todo na to. So when it gets dark, it cools down everything. Hindi na masyado mainit. Kaya masarap na rin maglakad-lakad dito sa Sorsogon City or sa area ng Sorsogon. May nadaanan tayo, guys, sabi dito, eat well and travel often. Beef Papaitan, Paris Express, and Lugaw Overload. Eat well, travel often. Nadaanan ulit natin yung church at night. Ang ganda niya. Parish Shrine of Lady of Fatima. So naglalakad tayo ngayon papunta sa Sorsogon City Pier. Sa may baywalk nila. May nadaanan tayong parang street food nila. Interesting lang. Gusto ko lang makita ko ng mga binibenta. Sa mga ulam, chicken ulit. May nadaanan din tayong Save More, and a while ago hindi ko lang nakunan ng shot there Gaisano Mall. Ayan, pinapa-turn left tayo. Pinapapasok tayo dito ng Google Maps. Parang simbahan. Baka lusot nito Baywalk. Oh, I see, it's a Catholic church. Ayan, may misa yata mga ka-fab. Turn right daw ulit, sabi ng Google Maps. Turn left daw ulit. Pinapalabas tayo sa simbahan. Ito na, turn left na. Tapos diretso ba? Tulungin sila pag may tinanong ka, they would answer your question. Buti na tayo maligaw kanina. Pero ito na yata yung Baywalk. Ayan, hinahabol nila tong yung transportation car, yung public utility car. Ito na, dito na yata ang Baywalk na. Here it is, finally achieved. Level achieved. Yay! Dito na tayo sa Pier 5 or Sorsogon Baywalk. Oh, ganda. Pinapatawid pa niya pa tayo. Ito na talaga. Here it is, finally. I've arrived. Mga ka-fab, ang ganda oh. Okay yung ilaw, ang ganda. Ang ganda maglakad siguro siya sa umaga, early morning. May mga kainan, ang dami namang restaurants eh. Ayan, tingnan nga natin yung anong dulo niyan. Anyways mga ka-fab, enjoy muna ako dito ha. And balitaan ko kayo. Thanks mga ka-fab, keep on watching. Ayan, kain tayo ng sisig with only rice na daw. Ano yan? And of course, dito sa sisig ni Caps. Spicy level, Bicolano level.
The next day.
And on the last night here at Sorsogon, we decided to visit the Sambinon Hot Springs Resort. It's so late at night here, but it's all worth it. It's very therapeutic. It's a hot pool, hot springs, perfectly to dip for an hour or two to relax your body, which I did. Thank you, Sorsogon.
The following day.
I'll be checking it out na. I'm almost ready, just waiting for a few minutes. And we'll be going to Sorsogon bus terminal and back to Daraga Airport, and to catch our flight later in the afternoon back to Manila. Thank you mga ka-fab for being there from check-in to check-out. And as always, don't forget to embrace your life, not just beautifully, but fabulously.
A few moments later.
Thank you, te. Te, susi, te, oh. Thank you. Punta na tayo sa Sorsogon Bus Terminal.